Chicken Licken. This is a story about Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Lucky, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, Turkey Lucky, and Foxy Loxy. This is where they live: woods, king places, forest, field, farmyard, oat barn, duck barn. Once upon a time, there was a barn. Most of the animals on the farm were happy, but Chicken Licken wasn't happy. Chicken Licken was scared of everything. One day, Chicken Licken went to the woods. "I need a safe place to sit." He started by an oak tree. Chicken Licken didn't see the acorn. What was that? He looked up at the blue sky. "Oh no," he said. "The sky must be falling." Henny Penny was sitting by the hen house. "Out of my way!" yelled Chicken Licken. The sky was What's the matter?" asked Henny Penny. "The sky was falling," cried Chicken Licken. "Oh no," said Henny Penny. "What shall we do?" "I'm going to warn the king," said Chicken Licken. "I'll come too," said Henny Penny. They ran past the hen house and thump! They bumped into Cocky Lucky. "What's the matter?" asked Cocky Lucky. "The sky was falling," cried Chicken Licken. "Oh no," said Cocky Lucky. "What shall we do?" "We're going to tell the king," said Henny Penny. "I'll come too, Cocky Lucky." They ran out from the farmyard. They ran past the duck barn. Ducky Lucky was swimming. "What's the matter?" he asked. "The sky was falling," cried. "The sky is falling," cried Chicken Licken. "Oh no," said Ducky Lucky. "What shall we do?" "We are going to tell the king," said Cocky Lucky. "I'll come too," said Ducky Lucky. They ran across the bridge. They came to the old barn. Goosey Lucy was sitting on her nest. "What's the matter?" she asked. "The sky was falling," cried Chicken Licken. "Oh no," said Goosey Lucy. "What shall we do?" "We are going to tell the king," said Ducky Lucky. "I'll come too," said Goosey Lucy. They ran past the barn. They ran into the field. Ducky Lucky was pecking at the ground. "What's the matter?" she asked. "The sky is falling," cried Chicken Licken. "Oh no," said Ducky Lucky. "What shall we do?" "We're going to tell the king," said Goosey Lucy. "I'll come too with you," said Ducky Lucky. They ran through the field. Soon they came to the forest and Foxy Loxy. "What's the matter?" he asked. "The sky was falling," cried Chicken Licken. "It's falling," cried Chicken Licken. Foxy Loxy didn't think the sky was falling, but he didn't say. We are going to tell the king, said Turkey Lucky. I know a shortcut, said Foxy Loxy. He led them into the forest and pointed to a hole. Down here, he said. They all went down the hole. This is where the king lives? Asked Henny Penny. No, said Foxy Loxy. It is where I live, and it's where I'm going to gobble you all up. Who will tell the king? The sky is falling, cried Chicken Licken. Stupid bird, said Foxy Loxy. The sky can't falling. Just then, an acorn hit Foxy Loxy on the head. Whee! Bonk! Ouch! Foxy Loxy didn't see it. Oh, he couldn't see the sky. The sky is falling. Now he was scared. He ran down the tunnel and was never seen again. Out of my way! The other had seen the acorn fall on Foxy Loxy. Everyone looked at Chicken Licken. Are you sure the sky fell on your head? They said. Maybe it was an acorn, said Chicken Licken. And they chased him all the way home.